In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect EZVIZ C6N camera to Wi-Fi. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To set up and use your C6N camera in conjunction with a Wi-Fi network, you will need to download the EZVIZ mobile app. So go to the App Store or the Play Store and look for EZVIZ. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to sign in using your email address or a phone number, so create an account if you don't already have one. Once this process is done and you have access to the main page here with your account, in order to link the camera to the app and consequently a Wi-Fi network, tap on this plus sign at the top right corner of the screen to add a new device. Alternatively, you will also see the option here in the middle. When you choose Add Device, you can select the specific device that you would like to add. So for this video, cameras, but of course you can follow the exact same instructions with any other device that you see on this list. Primarily, this will be done by scanning a QR code. So scan the QR code in the device body or the Quick Start Guide. If you cannot locate this particular QR code, make sure to check underneath the camera and check the guide. If you cannot scan it at all for whatever reason, then use this option here at the bottom and they will give you alternative instructions. Now, with the QR code scanned, it will give you a general description here. So 3 steps. The Wi-Fi signal of the device installation location is good, preferably close to the router, and you have the correct Wi-Fi password. Make sure that the device is powered on and hear the device's activation voice prompt. And it is recommended to place the phone, device, and router close to each other without obstruction, just like this image, so that the success rate is higher. With all of this said, if everything looks okay, tap on Start and let this process start here. So first, you will need to power on the camera, so power on the C6N camera, and once the indicator flashes blue, you take this option. With this done, you choose Next and proceed. You will have to connect to the Wi-Fi network here, so you input the network name, then the password, make sure that you select the appropriate one on 2.4G, tap Next once more, and as long as you put the correct password and you are in close proximity, you will be able to give the C6N camera a name and assign it to a location. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.